Got a small Walmart haul. And Walmart is going to hear about this. Or the delivery or somebody. This was delivered. And set outside. Nobody knocked. And it sat out there for an hour before I found it. I was sleeping. I woke up and seeing the time. I opened the door and found a bunch of bags. You know what they did? They put one here, one there. These two. Good Lord, I don't even think Walmart has people that have common sense to bag right. I don't know. Anyway, not going to go off on a rant. But it's a good thing that it's a little chilly outside. It's only like 60 something. For Florida, that's chilly. And this is still a little cold, but it better not be spoiled. There's my ham steak. Because it's just me this year, so I'm not going to be cooking a big dinner. This better not be thawed out. It's barely cold. Shrimp Alfredo. I like that Zatarain's. They didn't have... Oh, yeah, they did. Honey roasted turkey breast. And I got a Zatarain's blackened chicken with yellow rice. I like those Zatarain's meals. Okay, let me put... And I got this celery. Well, that's a big pack. I only wanted this little bit. I only need a little bit for the soup. I like those TV dinners for days I don't feel like cooking. And then the sweet Sue chicken and dumplings. I've made my own chicken and dumplings before, but this is pretty good. And all I have to do is open up the can, which I'll probably do today because it sounds good. I haven't had that sweet Sue in a long time. I got some, this is compared to Excedrin, migraine. I take that when like I have a tension headache or it's not too bad. I just lay down. Okay. Colgate Toothpaste. I couldn't find the crust that I like, so I just got that. That's fine too. I've used that. I need some mouthwash that's compared to Listerine, the Blue Mint. I was out of hydrogen peroxide. This was only, I think, 94 cents for that 32-ounce bottle. This one was 90. I think this one was like $1, under $1, around $1, something like that. So I do like their buys on that stuff. I got some sliced mushrooms. They were out the last time. Marinara sauce. And I forgot to get penny pasta, but I have pasta. So I'm just going to use that kind of pasta because you can use, I'm sure, any kind of pasta. You don't need penny pasta, but I'm going to make the pizza pasta recipe that Miss Dawn made on Fantastic Friends. An energy drink. I wanted to try the watermelon Red Bull, blueberry Red Bull, Arctic berry. Haven't tried that one. They substitute this one for the kiwi apple one for the tropical. That one looks like it might be good. Like I said, I rarely drink Red Bull. I haven't had, the last Red Bull I had was the other day, and it had been ages since I had bought Red Bull, so I just wanted to try these flavors, and they're good when you need a pick-me-up. Alright, so this is it. I put the cold stuff already in the freezer and refrigerator since it was left out for an hour. Let me go deal with that.